Hey guys, we got a quick unboxing today. Let's get into this. As you can tell from the title, this is the Galaxy S24. It came in last Friday. That was the release date. No, actually the release date was earlier this week, but a lot of pre-orders came in before that day, of course. And yeah, I got this on Friday, but I had to get it rerouted to UPS because I wasn't there to get it. So the unboxing is a little late, but you know, better late than never, right? I know I got a lot of unboxings going on. It's not all I do. I'm actually working on some reviews. I am still working on this iPhone review. My SIM card's in here. One of my SIM cards is in here. I have multiple SIM cards. But yeah, I'm running this iPhone 15 from the last unboxing. My current personal main phone is this S23 Plus. So we'll be able to get like a direct comparison as well going on. But this is the base model 24. Yep. Let's get into it. I switch these out every year, so figured let's go small this time. So let's rip out the seals. Do it. Oh, that was not a clean rip. No bueno. That was better. Pretty exciting stuff. Alright, so we got another small box, skinny box. Samsung likes to do that. You can tell why. No chargers in here, but yep, same wires as always, so it's quite alright. I do have the silver colorway. I forget if it has a special name, titanium something or whatever, but I just went for the silver. I didn't want any of the particular colors this year, any of the different colors. I usually go with black. I had a black S23 Plus. I had a black S22 Plus. I like the green in the S21. I love that one, but I didn't like the green on the S23. Okay. Oh, there we are. There we go. There's the phone already. Dang, that's lovely. It looks so pretty in that color. But let's get through this thingy. A lot of this stuff is going to look pretty similar to last year's. We got the quick start guides, and there's a little bit more paper this time. Terms and conditions, etc., etc. And then this stuff. USB-C to USB-C once again. No surprise here. Lovely cable. And then the SIM tool. I was really surprised when I opened the iPhone that there's only eSIM on it. So I'm hoping that the fact that there's a tool here means there is a SIM tray. I thought that was safe to assume until I got the iPhone. Then I was a little thrown off. Setting up eSIM was a pain in the butt. Took like half an hour to do. I had to contact T-Mobile. I guess it's more T-Mobile's fault or anything, but yeah, I'm not a fan. Moving on. So yeah, let's look at this phone. That is nice. That's a nice color, silver. And then that's it. That is the box. So right off the bat, some changes. Let me grab the other phone real quick. You know, let's remove this first. Ah, beautiful. Alrighty, so we got. I know a lot of people are going to have questions about what's different. Some changes, not big changes. This is one of those small updates to the design. Right off the bat, flat sides. The rails feel different. Here on the top, we have two holes. I assume they're both mics. But on the last year's model, which is going to be hard to even get on camera, there's only one hole at the top for the microphone. We got the volume rocker and power button. Still in the same place. If not a little different base because of the new changes in size between these two models. But about the same cameras. They're about the same size here. Nothing on this side once again. We do have the USB-C. And the speaker and mic ports are like slits on the new model. On the old model, there's like individual grills You got the SIM card at the bottom as well, still in the same spot. The flat rails makes it look like it's the phone is a bit thicker. I'll put the official numbers on the screen right here. But yeah, it does look thicker, huh? On the last year's model, the USB-C port seems more like it's in the center. And then on the new one, it seems like it's closer to the back. Small nitpickiness. Other than the rails and the slight differences, looks like everything's about the same here. And here is the silver phone, or the white phone. It looks kind of white. It is silver, but it's a very light silver, so it basically might as well be white. And the rails are matching too. If you get the other colors, I believe the rails are matching too. Like there's one that's yellow, and the rails have a yellow tint to it. They're not all silver rails with whatever phone color you get. But yeah, this is the 256 gigabyte model. That flash looks low. Oh, that's the difference right there. Look at the flash. Move down a bit. Just noticed that right now. Alright, time to put my S23 SIM into here while I run this full time for the testing, for the review, and I'm also doing the iPhone one. So don't worry, that'll come sooner than this one. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them. And this is the Galaxy S24.